In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to install Xray onto Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Jira like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the search bar after you logged into your account. Then you'll see an option called Apps. And if you click on that, you should be seeing something called Explore More Apps. Then this page should be popping up where you can see a bunch of different apps over here. And all of these you have the option to download onto your Jira dashboard. But in this tutorial, I'm just going to choose Xray. And if you don't see Xray of one of the first 1,000 here, you can also always go up here to search for apps and click in XRAY Test Management for Jira, like so. And then it should be linked like this, called Spotlight. And if you click on it, you'll see up here that it is a paid app. You can see here that it costs $10 per month, but you can get the first 30 days for free. Then from here, to install it, you simply need to click try it for free. Then from here, you need to select the site, and because I only have one Jira site, it will automatically select this one. Then you can click preview, and you'll go down here and see the permission. You can see the price up here. You can see the data management, and you can go down to add start free trial. And as you can see up here now, it is installing, and Jira will tell you when the app has been added inside of your Jira board. And this can take approximately about 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how fast your internet or Wi-Fi connection is. And as you can see here, Xray Test Manager for Jira installed successfully. And down here you can click Manage App, and you'll see everything there is to do with Xray down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!